Good morning, students. Today our topic is components of physical fitness. 5 components हैं. First, strength, speed, endurance, flexibility. Okay. First, strength. Strength is the ability of the muscles to overcome resistance. It is a major component of physical fitness. Strength can also be defined as the amount of force a muscles or a muscles group can exert. Two types strength. First, dynamic strength, and second, static strength. First, dynamic strength. Dynamic strength can be called isotonic strength because it is related to the movements मीन्स हलचल यानी गतिशील जो जिस स्ट्रेंथ में गति हो मूवमेंट हो उसको हम डायनामिक स्ट्रेंथ बोल सकते हैं. इन पुलअप्स एंड पुलअप्स वी रिक्वायर डायनामिक स्ट्रेंथ while doing such workout. There is a diminished tendency in dynamic strength, and as a result, after some time, muscles refuse to do work. Movements are clearly visible when someone use dynamic strength. Okay, मतलब वो जब भी हम इसका यूज़ करते हैं डायनामिक स्ट्रेंथ का, तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है हमारी बॉडी पे विजिबली हम उसको देख सकते हैं. ओके, डायनामिक स्ट्रेंथ को इसमें है मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ, एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ एंड स्ट्रेंथ एंड्योरेंस. मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ, it is the ability of act against maximum resistance. Maximum strength is not usually used in majority of sports. It is usually used in those sports in which very heavy resistance have to be tackled. Weightlifting, shot put, hammer throw, discus throw, javelin throw, etc. Okay, maximum strength. Second, explosive strength. Explosive strength can be defined as the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. In fact, it is a combination of strength and speed abilities. Explosive strength is generally used in split starts, weightlifting, shot put, hammer throw, javelin throw, discus throw, long jump, high jump, triple jump, vault, pole vault, up to the some extents. It is also used in endurance events. Okay, strength endurance. It is the combinations of strength and endurance abilities. Strength endurance can be defined as the ability to overcome resistance or to act against resistance under coordinations of fatigues. Strength and endurance, just like long distance races, swimming, road cycle, pole vault, जहाँ पर ये स्ट्रेंथ एंड्योरेंस यूज़ होता है. ओके, सेकेंड, स्पीड may be defined as the ability or capacity of an individual of perform a movement of the some pattern at a faster rate. Next, endurance. Endurance is another component of physical fitness like speed and strength. It is a ability to sustain a activity. Two types: endurance, short term endurance and long term endurance. Short term endurance is needed in sports variants. The action of movement is only for short durations and intentions: hockey, football, wrestling. Okay. Long term endurance. Long term endurance is needed in sports whereas the actions or movement in for a longer durations and is less intense. Just in long distance races, road cycling, cross country races, etc. Okay. नेक्स्ट होगा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. ओके, वो हम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी हैं जो हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे, आज इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. ओके, जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसको आप रीड कीजिए, इसी से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, पुटअप होंगे आपके. ओके, आज इतना ही पढ़ेंगे.